How do I look? You like that? Hey guys, John at Fix Your Fence. It's been a while since I've been on the video here, but I've been busy working with the fence company and getting it to grow. And that's what I think we all should be doing, right? Is with our fence companies, or even whatever other company you have. We should be working in it and with it to make it grow. And that's what I've been doing. And so I've been away from the video for a while because that's all just about having fun, right? Having fun. And it's been fun building this fence channel here on YouTube, you know. And so again, I just want to thank you for all your subscribers. You know, thank you for smashing that subscribe button and the like buttons on all the videos that I have. My goodness, I got over 200 videos and so much content, you know. And if you're just seeing this one, there's plenty more out there to look at. You know, might make your day, might not, who knows, right? But anyway, so and happy 4th of July. That's what it is. This is coming up 4th of July. I gave my guys a 4-day weekend, you know. I told them I'd pay them for the 4th, but I wouldn't pay them for Monday. It's kind of weird how holidays go, you know, Tuesday, and you know, so it's like, well, what do I do, right? Well, I'm just going to give them a 4-day weekend. But anyway, hey, I nailed it on that one. See, I nailed it on that one. And think about that, nailed it. Have you ever heard that phrase, nailed it? I nailed it, man, you know, or dude, you nailed it, man. That's great, you know. But anyway, so I came up with this plaque, okay? It's a nailed it plaque. And I plan on selling these all over the United States of America, to all the construction companies, the fence companies, little companies that, you know, use a hammer to make their money with, you know. I nailed it. Check this out, guys. I nailed it, man. That's my award. The Golden Railroad Spike. I nailed it. Well, I found that Golden Railroad Spike on an estimate of all things. I was walking with this guy along the railroad tracks, and I've looked at that, and there was one sitting in there. I picked it up, and he goes, "You want that?" I'm like, "As a matter of fact, I do. I got a plan for it." And so that was the plan, and on the way back to the truck from the estimate, I found 4 more. So I have a total of 5. I plan on making each one of these and giving to my employees for a I nailed it award, you know. But yeah, we all have goals and aspirations and dreams, but this is, why not sell them across the United States, man? Wouldn't that be cool? But anyway, yeah, check it out, you know. So I got all this little stuff here. I nailed it. I got all the nails, you know. I got the glue here. I got the paint, chain. You know, my wife went online to the Wish and she got me all these little brackets for the back. Kind of cool, you know, so you can hang it. We can hang it just like I'm winging it. But anyway, I just wanted to come to you today and make another little video since it's the weekend, you know, and I got nothing else better to do since I got Monday and Tuesday off anyway. So who knows? I might make another video, come up with something. Who knows, right? Right? Anyway, you guys, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great day. Keep smiling. And when those Nail It Awards come out, have your credit card ready when the site goes live. Keep smiling. Have a great day.